Hey traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Jeremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading, and it is indeed Monday, the 27th of June, 2016. SPY down another 2%, closed down 1.74%. Really big move. So these three drawings, get used to them. That's kind of my idea, my thought processes, if you will, on the market. Really good bearish volume today, and as mentioned on Friday, Friday was pretty bearish. So at this point, I think I can probably get rid of green, the green line, because I was really kind of thinking that SPY would hopefully make an inside day candle today because it would make it just so much easier to trade it. But so I'm thinking it's going to be some form or fashion of blue or pink, more than likely. Again, doesn't necessarily have to trade all the way down to 187, but we broke through a very strong pre-market low. So at this point, I think the next target on the SPY is going to be 193.79, more than likely. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the drawings really quick, and so let's kind of soak in. So on the daily charts, you have a very strong support right here. You had a pretty fiercely strong support right there, and that's kind of based from this area. So yes, we did kind of close at that price today. We might get a little bit of a bounce, maybe on the hourly charts or something tomorrow in the SPY. But I think we go lower. Here's your hourly chart, and hourly chart on the SPY. Again, we haven't even hit the 10 EMA on the hourly 2 days in a row. So I think we probably do that some tomorrow. I'm looking for SPY to trade into 201 or 202, and then potentially later down the road this week or next week roll over a bit more on the SPY. So this is kind of my area right in this general zone. I'll be looking for a reversal, 203, 202, 201. So back to the daily. This is a retest gap, right? Black candle, gapping down, nice upper shadow, good volume, broken support, moving averages, exponential volume gap, candle, everything's there. Looks like it's going to head down just a little bit lower. So those are kind of my two drawings. Here's my analysis this morning. Bearish retest gap today, opening below the 200 simple moving average. Look to shorter retest. If we close the white candle today, which we didn't, not afraid of a bearish follow through. If we break 201.05, which 201.05 was right here. If we break 201.05, should be looking for a strong continuation lower. 201.05, by the way, was this little gap action right here, a little strong support back from there. That was 201.05, and we broke through that like a knife breaks through butter. So that's SPY. That's what I got. Other indices not looking that great either. The Dow Jones ETF, DIA, big, I shouldn't say big, double top right there, close of the neckline, retest gap today. This trend so far looks like it's going to be picking up steam, and I will say that the retest does not have to be big. It could be just a day or so, and I don't think we're going to be bouncing, at least not yet. This volume, these gaps, these candles are for real, and I think we're going to go a little bit lower before we get any bouncing on the Dow and really on everything. So the last two times we sold off here and here, we did it very quickly. We could continue that steam. Again, we're trading into some support levels over here, so I would like to see a slowdown tomorrow. A little bit of a pullback, maybe a white candle of some kind, but I think we do continue lower this week. And again, DIA target probably 164. Here's the Qs. Qs are looking bearish. They're down 2%. They have closed below this support level, and I think 99.82 is a no-brainer, and then maybe even 94.13. Here's the IWM down 3% today, 3.4%. Had a nice white candle actually on Friday, and we gapped below that. So we opened below this candle and this candle. The open and the high on the IWM was the exact same shaved top candle. Here's your hourly chart. I think we keep going lower. This bearish trend can stay intact for a while, and I think a few more days, I think we trade lower. And then from there, yeah, I do kind of think we bounce. I don't think this is the end of the market. I think this is a very reactionary time period, and it's kind of interesting and fun and exciting to see what happens. Just as a reminder, tonight at 6:30 Eastern, I apologize, 6:30 Central, tonight I am doing just a random fun free webinar for some stocks and kind of general overview of the market. Maybe if you guys want to be there, that link will be in the comment section below, and also in your email if you're getting an email from me. with this video link. So that's going to be at 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern tonight. Probably be about 30 minutes or so. Really, what we're mainly doing is just introducing some people to a new webinar service that we're practicing and trying out. So, yep, that's at 6:30 Central tonight. Be there or be a triangle. All right, let's go look at some stocks really quick that some of you have requested that I check out. First and foremost, let everyone know today, I traded like a one-legged dog trying to bury a bone in a frozen ice lake. I did terrible, and it was great to see everyone else doing so much better than I did. Everything I bought today actually went up. As soon as I bought it, they went higher, and the whole market was just tanking today. But the two stocks I traded, I lost money. So down 1.5R, but shout outs to all those who did make a lot of money today. Johnny Guarco, you did phenomenal, buddy. Well done. Here's the ticker symbol AMAT. This is what he traded on Applied Materials. Black candle, gapping down. Got a nice little double top here on the daily chart. AMT probably going to go lower, but so is everything else. Here's the way he played it. Very simple. Nice little pennant pattern. Boom, boom. Took the break out of the low of the day, and the stock just plummeted. Nice, solid 2Rs on AMT. QGen, ticker symbol QGEN. Sean Bennett, I think Marie and a few others scorched this one this morning. Gap down. Here's your low of the day. 5-minute low. Broke that. Traded some targets. That one worked out very, very well. Victor Gonzalez, Drew, and many others on Las Vegas Sands played this one. So this was a black candle gapping down. This was a retest gap. Stock played into the 10, rolled over like a dog for a bone. That's Las Vegas Sands. Great play on those who played that one. Seagate Technology, STX, really strong double top on the daily chart. Check this out on Seagate Technology. This stock has just been getting absolutely hammered the last few weeks. Seagate, really nice double top on Seagate. Closed below the neckline, so if this one pulls back at all tomorrow, the next few days, and rolls over, a little bit of a bearish perspective on Seagate Technology, just kind of FYI. ARMH, Brad and Brian Noel got some R's on ARMH, white candle gapping down. Here's your 1-minute chart, and here's how these gentlemen played this one. They played it like Charlie Daniels plays the fiddle. ARMH stock, they took it bearish right about there, with a stop right about there, and just wrecked that one. So, traders, great job. Pretty much everyone did better than me today, which was awesome. Honestly, that's what I like to happen every single day. If the traders in the room can outperform me every day, that makes me a very happy camper. Got to give a shout out to my buddy Brad Reed, who just mentioned he has doubled his trading account since January 1st this year. So, Brad, great job, buddy. Awesome. Proud of you, man. Keep it up. Some other big stocks out there that got just destroyed today. Barclays down 21%. Immense volume, 149 million shares came in. Looking for this one to probably go a little bit lower, but you do have a doji. It probably will retest before it makes one more spike lower, and then that'll probably be it. But very, very strong doji. Could go either direction. Can we bounce tomorrow? Of course. The market can do anything. Will we bounce? Probably not. Here's RBS. I say probably bounce, at least not today. Royal Bank of Scotland's got almost as much volume today as it did on Friday. Also getting just absolutely wrecked. So a lot of foreign banks. Credit Suisse down hard. Got some bearish projections for this one. Next target, probably $9.02. Deutsche Bank, ticker symbol DB, breaking bearish on this one pretty hard as well. So Deutsche Bank breaking out some support, breaking out of a big triangle pattern with volume. So any type of retest we do get over the next 2 or 3 days, I'm looking for those to continue down bearish. And I think maybe another week or two. And then probably coming to earnings, I think the market could maybe turn around. But until then, thinking things go down just a little bit more. Last but not least for today, well, let's look at 2 or 3 more. Here's Chipotle, ticker symbol CMG. And Chipotle, nice little bearish candle today. Looks good. I mean, here's a really, really good support. Here's the retest. Bam, right there. Breakout of really good support today was a new Black Crow in Chipotle. I was long on Chipotle back up in here. Got out of my long position for a loss, and now bearish on CMG. Looking for it to pull down to 337.68. It's a little bit more bearish than bullish. That's my analysis personally, though. I do have a few traders who are looking to play this one bullish. So, hey, I mean, it's one of those situations where I totally get it. I can see why you're bullish. This is a great buy low, sell high. Here's your weekly pattern. Right, making a lower low, and I do think that there's some divergence potentially on this one. Let me hop over to RSI on Chipotle. Yep, so you got a little bit of a divergence on RSI, which could be the reason where it could bounce bullish. So I get it. I think Daniel was looking to play this one bullish. If you're looking to play this one bullish, I totally understand. I'm looking to play it bearish. We'll find out what happens. I've already tried to play bullish once and didn't play out, so we will see. But really, in this situation, either one, absolutely understandable. I get it. That's what makes the market, being bullish, being bearish. If it takes out this low, though, I think it continues a little bit lower. So that's Chipotle. Apple today closed down 1.4%, closed at 92.04. Again, bearish candle today at a really, really good support, closed below support. I think Apple comes down to this trend line next 2 or 3 days into the $89 area before it gets in kind of balance, maybe something like that. And yep, that's my thoughts on Apple. So a lot of damage out there. I'm excited about playing it. I will hope for a little bit of a rest tomorrow, maybe. And if we get it and we get any kind of bearish continuation Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I think it's serious. I think it's for real. And I think it will keep happening. If you want to know how to trade bearish for free, contact us, reallifetrading.com. All the videos, all the articles, they're entirely free. If you want to email me, feel free to email me. We do have videos on how to trade bearish in an IRA. We have strategies on how to trade bearish in 401ks. We got all the education that you could possibly want for free. Check us out. Tell your friends. It's here. We're here. The market's here. And I'm really excited about it, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks so much for listening to this Monday Real Life Stock View. And I will see you on the flip side. Until then, remember, love life, live life, trade it. Bye.